Are you wondering if it's too late to start an online business? Maybe you've asked, is 50 too old to start something new? Or can I really learn digital marketing? Or how can I make money online at my age? If any of those thoughts have crossed your mind, this video is for you because I've had those thoughts as well. And I'm living proof it's not too late. If you've ever felt like you may be too late when it comes to online business, or wondered if your best years were behind you, you're not alone. I used to believe that as well. But what I've come to realize is this: the next chapter can be even more meaningful if you're willing to start. There was a time I genuinely believed digital marketing was only for younger people, the tech savvy crowd who grew up with smartphone in their hands. Not someone like me, someone who remembers when the first handheld mobile phone was considered cutting edge. Then came retirement, and with it, a choice. I could settle into the sidelines or step into something new and listen to that quiet whisper in my heart telling me there has to be more. But let me be honest, the doubts were loud. What if I can't figure it out? What if I look ridiculous? What if I'm too far behind? I even questioned whether my voice still had value in a space that seems built for younger voices. But here's what I discovered: the digital world doesn't care how old you are. It cares about the value you bring, and your wisdom never goes out of style. Sometimes what you've lived through is exactly what someone else needs to hear, and your age is not a limitation, it is your strength. We've raised families, built careers, loved deeply, lost greatly, and kept going. We carry wisdom that cannot be Googled. But I used to believe a lie that it was too late. But too late for what? To grow? To learn? To create something meaningful? To share your story? Absolutely not. Everything you've walked through has prepared you for this next chapter. And you're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience, resilience, and purpose. Now, if you want to start an online business but feel unsure where to begin, you're not alone. That's why I want to share the exact course that helped me. It's built for beginners, no pressure, no fluff, just clear step by step guidance on how to build a real business online, even if tech made your head spin. This course gave me the clarity and confidence I needed, and it even comes with the rights to resell, so you can start earning while you're learning. And I've linked it in the description below. Take a look. It might be the very thing that unlocks your next chapter. So if something in you is stirring, don't ignore it. You're not too late, you're just getting started. And if this resonates with you, drop me a comment. And always remember, you're not behind, you're not too old, you're right on schedule. I'm Lorna, and I'll see you in the next video.